Al Navarro, a future member of the Rotary Club.
There's a story of an old lady goes out for her porch every morning, raise up her arms and shout, "Praise the Lord!" One day, an atheist moved
Picture.
next door, and over time, the old lady's praising became irritating to him. So that every time the old lady shouts, "Praise the Lord!" the man would also step out of his perch and shout, "There is no Lord!" One morning, the old lady stepped into her porch and again raised her arms and said, "Praise the Lord! Lord, I need a cell phone. I need to call my daughter in Japan."